Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'm going to get to it if the camera will actually focus. Sorry. So this is a new topic. As I have said previously, I was heavily doing portraits and gaining more skills in actually how to do proportions properly, the layout, and approach portraits in a more professional and effective way and gain more skills and basically. So yeah, I am happy with the skills that I've learned from the portraits, and this is transferred into now the scenescapes. Landscapes, scenescapes. So yeah, I'm getting, this is a two perspective sketch, and I researched it beforehand, seeing what was implemented more often, and that was a two perspective. I may be wrong, but that's what I found out. So good speed, along with creating the feedback loop, along with geometric and observational methods, just like previously. A couple of sketches ago I was purely using geometric, but in capturing the mountains behind a wee bit of smoke, that's observational and gestural. So yeah, let me know what you think, and check out the rest of the channel, what you think of the portraits, what I started off like, because you'll see a massive difference between a year ago and just a couple of about a week ago. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll get back to you.